initiative by Honorable Chief Minister to take the state on a trajectory where Rajasthan can inspire other states in India and elsewhere. By 2030, Government of Rajasthan intends to reach at a level of a developed state where we strongly at RCAT feel technology will have a very, very central and crucial role to play. All of you, being professors of science, engineering, and technology, have so much of knowledge, information, and publications and patents. We will be proud, and we are proud, and will be proud to share that RTU is an official partner of RCAT. And in this journey of Mission 2030, we would like to compile the suggestions that comes from you, and we'd like to take it forward. Over to Binita ma'am for a brief welcome, and then we would like to go to Deepak Bhatia sir for welcoming our Honorable Vice Chancellor sir from RTU for his keynote address. Binita ma'am, few lines.
Thank you, KK. I welcome all. Welcome VC sir, Palwalia sir, Deepak sir, and SK Chaudhary sir. It is our esteemed honor that we have all professors which are associated with the reputed institution which is RTU has been here at one platform, and we are discussing about that how can we make our state as one of the pioneer state in the country in terms of everything, whether it is technology, infrastructure, or health or agri-tech, everywhere. So I think we as in the people of technology have the prime people to work towards 2030 mission, where we would add our feedbacks and opinion that can be added and collated into Vision Document 2030 and can put forward our state into to strive towards the best among all the state in the country. So I welcome all here. Let's start here from here.
Over to Dr. Deepak Bhatia sir for to take over the podium and request and invite our Honorable Vice Chancellor SK Singh sir. Over to Deepak Bhatia sir.
Good afternoon to all of you. आप सभी को बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद. Namaskar. It is my pleasure to attend this webinar in 2023 for Mission 2030. एक बहुत ही सुखद अनुभव है कि हम 2023 में अपने कंट्री और स्टेट को डेवलप करने के लिए एक बहुत ही अच्छी पहल कर रहे हैं, जिसमें हम हमारे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के विजन 2030 के लिए हम लोगों से, टेक्नोक्रेट से, इंजीनियर से बहुत उपयोगी सुझाव इकट्ठे करेंगे. हमारे बीच में माननीय कुलपति राजस्थान तकनीकी विश्वविद्यालय प्रोफेसर SK सिंह जी अवेलेबल हैं. माननीय कुलपति महोदय का मैं हृदय से धन्यवाद दूंगा कि जब भी हम उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं देकर हमें इन सभी कामों को करने के लिए बहुत ही मोटिवेट करते हैं. आज भी मैंने कल उनसे सिर्फ एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट की तो वो तुरंत तैयार हो गए कि ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा विषय है, बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है. आरकेट और राजस्थान ने एक बहुत अच्छी नई शुरुआत भी की है, एक बहुत अच्छा एक MOU किया है टू डेवलप द टेक्नोलॉजी इन द राजस्थान. मैं माननीय कुलपति महोदय से अनुरोध करूंगा कि आज इस संदर्भ में हमारा मार्गदर्शन करें. कुछ तकनीकी कुलपति महोदय, प्रोफेसर SK सिंह जी, माननीय कुलपति महोदय, मैं अनुरोध करूंगा आज हमारे बीच में राजस्थान के सारे एफिलेटेड इंस्टीट्यूट्स के इंजीनियर्स, प्रोफेसर्स, हमारे बीच में आज शंकरा ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन के प्रोफेसर एसके चौधरी जी, जो इतने जोशीले और ऊर्जावान हैं कि आज भी वो तुरंत सबसे पहले इस मीटिंग में आकर और अपने उपयोगी सुझाव देने के लिए हमेशा तत्पर रहते हैं। राजस्थान तकनीकी विश्वविद्यालय से संबंधित कोई भी काम हो, प्रोफेसर एसके चौधरी जी हमेशा एक बड़ी भूमिका निभाते हैं। सर आ रहे हैं? कमलाकांत जी,
कमलाकांत जी एक बार देखिए जरा सर का एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव प्रिविलेज, आपने जो है वीसी साहब का, उनका ऑडियो और वीडियो दोनों ही अनम्यूट नहीं हो पा रहा है। एक बार आईटी टीम को बोलिए।
हाँ, अभी
ब्लॉक तो नहीं है कहीं?
ना, ब्लॉक बिल्कुल नहीं है।
आप एक बार चेक करवाओ।
जैसे आप हैं, हम हैं, वो सारे फैसिलिटीज पैनलिस्ट के लिए हैं।
मैं उनको रिक्वेस्ट करूं एक बार दोबारा से रीज्वाइन करें।
हाँ, प्रोफेसर एसके सिंह साहब अभी निकल गए हैं एक बार, and may be joining again.
Mission 2030 is an ambitious mission of the government of the Rajasthan, in which we will collect the suggestions from all over the Rajasthan peoples of different categories, from engineers to advocates, so that we can make a useful visionary document, so that we can develop our state as a leading state in the country. कमलाकांत जी, शायद सर ने ज्वाइन कर लिया है। माननीय कुलपति महोदय ने ज्वाइन कर लिया है
जी। हाँ साहब, अभी तक अनम्यूट नहीं हो पा रहा था।
सर आपका बहुत बहुत हृदय से धन्यवाद। आपने इतने अपने व्यस्त समय में से हमें समय दिया। मैं माननीय कुलपति महोदय से अनुरोध करूंगा कि वो मिशन 2030 के बारे में मार्गदर्शन दें और अपने बहुत ही उपयोगी सुझाव प्रदान करें।
तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद साहब, दीपक साहब, दास साहब, चौधरी साहब, बुंडेले साहब, सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। सबसे पहले सबको नमस्कार, और आज इस कार्यक्रम में बुलाने के लिए मैं आप सबको लोग को बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं। जैसा कि अभी मुख्यमंत्री महोदय का मिशन 2030 कार्यक्रम स्टार्ट हुआ है, जिस दिन स्टार्ट हुआ हम लोग राजस्थान के जयपुर में ही थे। तो इसके लिए मिशन 2030 के लिए अब हमारे यहाँ टेक्निकल एजुकेशन और हायर एजुकेशन के लिए भी कार्य दिया गया, उसके लिए भी हम लोग लगे हुए हैं। एक सरकार की तरफ से टास्क फोर्स भी बनाई गई है। टास्क फोर्स में भी हम लोग जो है मिशन 2030 के लिए कार्य कर रहे हैं, और आने वाले दिनों में हम लोग कुछ 2030 के लिए मिशन 2030 क्या हमारा अभी 2023 में हम सोच रहे हैं कि 2030 में राजस्थान कैसा होगा, राजस्थान स्टेट देश के नंबर 1 स्टेट कैसे होगा, उसके लिए ये विजन 2030 का देना है। और नई टेक्नोलॉजी और इनोवेशन और सबका उसके फील्ड में क्या करना है, उसके लिए हम सबको आरकैट के से मिल करके टेक्नोलॉजी के फील्ड में, और हमारे जितने कॉलेजेस हैं, हमारे राजस्थान टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी और उनसे संयोजित जो भी एफिलिएटेड कॉलेजेस हैं, सब उनको टेक्नोलॉजी के फील्ड में और इनोवेशन के फील्ड में क्या क्या नया कार्य करना है, क्या किस तरह से 2030 तक हमको कहाँ तक पहुंचना है, उन सब के लिए हम लोगों को एक कार्य योजना बनानी है। और ये इस तरह के एक दो वर्कशॉप करना होगा, और एक बार सब लोग बैठ करके आपस में मंत्रणा करके फिर हम अभी अपने ऑफिस से बाहर हूँ, ऑफिस पहुंच करके फिर से अभी ज्वाइन करूंगा। और मैं ये आशा करता हूं कि सारे हमारे जो डायरेक्टर्स, चेयरमैन और प्रिंसिपल्स और आरकैट के दास साहब और उनकी पूरी टीम है, उनसे मैं आशा ये करता हूं कि एजुकेशन में, हायर एजुकेशन में और टेक्नोलॉजी के क्षेत्र में किस तरह से नंबर 1 स्टेट हो, उसके लिए हम लोग प्रयास करेंगे। इसी के साथ मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम देता हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर कॉलिंग मी। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for sparing your valuable times to us, sir. So now I request Kamla Khan ji to proceed further. हमारे बीच में आज प्रोफेसर महेश बुंदेले भी हैं और DOIT की टीम से ज्योति लोहाड़िया मैडम, विनीता मैडम, जिन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छे प्रयास किए हैं इस कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने के लिए। Now I request Kamla Khan ji to proceed further.
थैंक यू दीपक भाटिया सर। डॉक्टर पालवालिया सर से हम शुरू करेंगे।
कमला खान जी एक बार अनम्यूट करें।
डॉक्टर पालवालिया सर, am I audible to you?
Yes, you are audible.
So डॉक्टर पालवालिया सर, हम आपसे ही शुरू करेंगे। तो 2 लाइन आपके तरफ से, फिर हम संत कुमार सर से, डॉक्टर संत कुमार जी के पास जाएंगे, फिर महेश बुंदेले सर के पास जाएंगे।
Well, it's my pleasure, Kamla Khan ji, to speak first, but in front of all those big speakers like Professor S.K. Chaudhary Sahab and all other, I feel myself a little ashamed of that I am speaking at the first side, but as you have given me the opportunity.
Sir, you are one of the organizers, so RTU and ARCAD, so on behalf of organizing this.
Yeah, please, sir. So, first of all, I would like to make a many thanks to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir Professor S.J. Singh Sahab, who joined this event and blessed us. And as you know, this topic today, we are from past 15 days working together for the Mission 2030 for the state of Rajasthan. And definitely, if we see towards our institute side, normally technical institutions are used to making a 5-year plan and 10-year plan and making the vision and mission for their institutes. So the same practice, I think it's being making us for the state of Rajasthan. And I really appreciate it, the effort and the vision given by the government of Rajasthan, that let it to be imagined first that what we would like to be in the year 2030. The year 2030 is also an important and significant year in the education sector also, where NEP will be on the full roll by 2030. So our national education policy is already NEP 2020 have been announced in year 2020, and it will be on full roll in 2030. So I think education sector में सबसे ज़्यादा rapid changes होने वाले हैं. And if we sum up our education system, so I may sum it out like we need a digital transformation, we need an interdisciplinary focus, we need sustainability and green engineering, we need AI, automation, cyber security, we need soft skill development, we need globalization, we need a student for a lifelong learning, we need ethical and social implications, we need diversity and inclusions, we need more and more entrepreneurs to be developed from present educational systems. So as far as me is concerned, the goals are they are the multi-dimensional goals, both for the teachers, educators, students, and to the institutions. For the teachers, AICT have already prescribed a 360-degree education, 360-degree achievement for the API scores. For the students, there is an all-round together assessment achievements. While we provided the breathing space to the students, while reducing the contact hours, earlier we were having around 34 to 36 hours of contact program in a week. Now we have reduced it to 26 hours. So vision was that we need to put some breathing space for additional studies. We introduce the MOOC courses, we introduce the interdisciplinary courses, open elective audit courses, and all those courses to make him more adjustable, more diversified, more interdisciplinary focus. So now what we require now to achieve all these goals, we required a certain number of center of excellences to be in place. We required a huge participation from our anchor partners like RCAT centers. They are definitely, we and Rajiv Gandhi Center for Technical Studies are in a huge preparation to cover up this, to bridge this gap between industry and academia. And Kamla Kanji and Vinita Madam is also there. हम लोग बहुत जल्दी ही जो है फैकल्टी ट्रेनिंग एंड स्टूडेंट ट्रेनिंग इंडस्ट्रियल trainers से they have identified more than 60 such industrial trainers and industrial clubhouses that will be training to our students in that area. So we need more and more such programs and more such partners in the field of machine learning, cyber security, AI, deep learning, data analytics. In all those fields, we required some more expertise, more center of excellences, and more together between industry and academia. A lot of program is being pumped up. Right now, we have started foundation courses in first year academics in the goal to bring the student back to the playgrounds. Healthy students, their good mental and physical health. Okay, so I think all these are the broader issues onto which we need to discuss a lot and conclude and summarize the major objectives and goals what we can put together for the Mission 2030. So thanking you, and I'm more eager to listen to my other participants, other principals, chairmen of the institutions, so that more session may come through that. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Dr. Palwalia, sir, for you being true to your profession as Dean Academics. You have highlighted how and what kind of challenges and opportunities are there in the next 7 years. And 2030, you rightly highlighted that is NEP, you will be in full swing. Also, just to add one more aspect, sustainable development goals that we need to achieve. Around 190 countries have committed that by 2030, we need to achieve 17 sustainable development goals. And it is interesting that Rajasthan government has also identified by that year to become a developed state and become an inspiring state in the country. I would like to, in this contest, invite Dr. Sant Kumar Chaudhary, sir, who is an eminent academic, member in several institutes, in board of studies, in boards and governing bodies, someone who guides and mentors academics, students, and institution builders. So he has got right kind of experience in institution building, in education, and in technology as well. So over to you, Dr. Chaudhary, to keep your comments maybe in 3 to 5 minutes on what do you think, how Rajasthan, the state of Rajasthan can actually take quantum jumps, and what technology can play a role, how education can do that, how professors can play a role like that. So whatever suggestions you have, over to you, sir. It is a pleasure and honor to have you.
Thank you very much, Kamla Kanji. Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor S.K. Singh ji, Professor D.K. Palwalia ji, Professor Deepak Bhatia ji, हमारे बड़े भाई दादी साहब एंड आर्केट सेंटर के मुख्य श्री कमलाकांत जी, विनीता जी, ज्योति मैम और जितने भी पार्टिसिपेंट हैं, मैं कहना चाहूंगा एक बड़ा अच्छा श्लोक है संस्कृत का, अमृतं सुसरे वाही अमृतं प्रिय दर्शनम अमृतं राज सम्मानम अमृतं क्षीर भोजनम। एक साथ इतने विद्वानों का एकत्रित होना ये अमृत के समान होता है। कोई एक मनुष्य पूर्ण नहीं होता है, सभी में कुछ गुण होता है और कुछ अवगुण होता है। आज जितने भी इतने महारथी एकत्रित हुए हैं, तो हमारे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी श्री अशोक गहलोत जी का जो मिशन है राजस्थान मिशन 2023, वो राजस्थान के उज्जवल भविष्य एवं सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए जो योजना बनाई गई है, ये स्वागत योग्य है। और इसमें हमारे राजस्थान तकनीकी विश्वविद्यालय ने जो एक सहपाठी के रूप में, सहभागी के रूप में, सहयोगी के रूप में जो एक सदस्यता ग्रहण की है, हमें गर्व हो रहा है, क्योंकि मैं भी राजस्थान विश्वविद्यालय के अधीन हूँ, इसके बोर्ड ऑफ मैनेजमेंट का सदस्य हूँ। इसके स्थापना से ही तो बड़ी खुशी होती है जब राजस्थान तकनीकी विश्वविद्यालय में जीके पलवलिया जैसे, दीपक भाटिया जी जैसे प्रबुद्ध ज्ञानी लोग हैं, तो हम लोग काफी अच्छा सोचते हैं और अच्छा करते हैं। ऐसा कहा गया है, जब तक किसी विषय पर सोचा नहीं जाए तब तक सफलता नहीं मिलती है। तो राजस्थान के उज्जवल भविष्य एवं सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए जो पहले सोचा गया है कि किस तरह से देश में हमारा राज्य सर्वोच्च स्थान को प्राप्त करे, इसके लिए अगर इस तरह का विचार गोष्ठी जो फैकल्टी वेबिनार किया गया है, इसके लिए राजीव गांधी जो सेंटर है और आरके सेंटर के कोलैबोरेशन में जो RTU इस तरह का आयोजन की है, हम समझते हैं कि हम लोग को बहुत ही मार्गदर्शन होगा, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा और हम अपनी शक्ति लगाएंगे कि अपने राजस्थान को किस तरह देश के पटल पर हम प्रथम स्थान में आए। मेरा कहना है कमलाकांत जी, शिक्षा समाज की जननी है। किसी भी समाज का जो उन्नति है वो शिक्षा पे निर्भर करता है। और यहाँ का जो मिशन है, इसका मुख्य विषय है डेवलपमेंट, इनोवेशन एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी। ये तीनों शिक्षा के बढ़ावा से शिक्षा क्षेत्र को और ज्यादा प्रोत्साहित करने से ही होगा। अगर जननी शिक्षा समाज की है, तो जननी जितनी मजबूत होगी, जितनी सुदृढ़ होगी, उतना हमारा समाज भी सुंदर होगा। शैक्षणिक स्थान में जिस तरह भी हम सभी संस्थान, शंकरा ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन एवं अन्य संस्थान जो राजस्थान तकनीकी विश्वविद्यालय से एफिलिएशन रखते हैं, हम सभी भरपूर योगदान दे रहे हैं कि अपने राजस्थान के बच्चों को एवं देश के अन्य हिस्से के बच्चों को किस तरह से शिक्षित किया जाए। और राजस्थान को विकसित करने के लिए राजस्थान तकनीकी विश्वविद्यालय एवं शंकरा ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन एवं अन्य संस्थान हम ग्लोबल हैकाथॉन कराते हैं, जिससे कि नए नए आइडियाज आते हैं। तो इनोवेशन होगा कैसे? इस तरह के आयोजन करने से होगा। यहाँ पर प्रोफेसर दीपक भाटिया का बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहता है, प्रोफेसर SK सिंह जी का योगदान रहता है, माननीय महामहिम श्री कलराज मिश्र जी घंटों छात्रों के साथ वार्तालाप करते हैं कि हमारे राजस्थान में किस तरह से नए नए इनोवेटिव आइडियाज लाए जाए। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी स्वयं इस जगह जाते हैं। तो मेरा कहना है कमलाकांत जी कि इस तरह का जो ग्लोबल स्तर का हैकाथॉन है, ग्लोबल स्तर का आयोजन है, हमारे सभी संस्थान में होना चाहिए। और आज जिस तरह से फैकल्टी वेबिनार किया गया है, जिसमें सबको अपने अपने विचार रखने का जो अवसर दिया जा रहा है, ये स्वागत योग्य है। सब अपने विचार रखेंगे। मैं भी कहता हूं कि ये हमारा भविष्य तभी उज्जवल हो सकेगा जब हम सभी मिलकर करेंगे, चाहे वो इंस्टीट्यूशन हो, चाहे वो इंडस्ट्रीज के लोग हो, चाहे हमारे कम्युनिटीज के लोग हो। सभी सदस्य को राजस्थान को अपना मानना पड़ेगा। राजस्थान के विकास में हमारा विकास है, ऐसा सोच लेकर के जब चलेंगे तो हमारे राजस्थान का विकास अवश्य होगा। हम लोगों ने अभी भी बहुत कुछ किया है, लेकिन तकनीकी शिक्षा में हम चाहेंगे कि राजस्थान सरकार, राजस्थान तकनीकी विश्वविद्यालय एवं अन्य तकनीकी विश्वविद्यालय संस्थानों को पूरी मदद करें और इस तरह का आयोजन ग्लोबल स्तर पे, राष्ट्रीय स्तर पे बार बार किया जाए, ज्ञान बांटा जाए। ज्ञान बांटने से ज्ञान बढ़ता है। और 3 तरह का युग होता है। सबसे पहले हमारे देश में मंत्र युग था, जो लोग तपस्या के बल पे सफलता पाते थे। इसके बाद तंत्र युग हुआ और अभी पलवालिया जी यंत्र युग है। यंत्र युग में टेक्नोलॉजी में जो जितने ही आगे है वही देश आगे जाता है। आज अमेरिका अगर विश्व की शक्ति बनी हुई है तो वो टेक्नोलॉजी के कारण। हमारा जो टेक्नोक्रेट्स है वो जो डिरेल हो रहे हैं यूएसए के तरफ, उन्हें रोका जाए। हमारे टेक्नोक्रेट अगर यहाँ रुकते हैं तो टेक्नोलॉजी के प्रभाव से आज हम चंद्रयान 3 को चंद्रमा के साउथ पोल पे अगर उतारते हैं तो हमने अपने विश्व में अपनी ताकत, बुद्धता की, बुद्धिमता की छाप छोड़ी है। हम चाहेंगे कि इस तरह का आयोजन होता रहे और हम लोग इस तरह का वार्तालाप करें, तो सभी मिलजुल के अगर करेंगे तो हमारे राजस्थान का सर्वोच्च स्थान पे आना अवश्यंभावी है। और जितने भी संस्थान हैं वो आपको कंधे में कंधे मिला के चलने के लिए तैयार है। आज का ये आयोजन स्वागत योग्य है और मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं आरके सेंटर को, राजस्थान तकनीकी विश्वविद्यालय को और खास करके माननीय मुख्यमंत्री अशोक गहलोत जी को, जिन्होंने 2030 यानी 2030 के लिए एक मिशन दिया है। हम अगर एवरेस्ट के लिए सोचते हैं तो हम उसके लिए प्रयास भी करते हैं। उन्होंने जो मिशन दिया है हम प्रयास करेंगे, उसके लिए कर्म करेंगे और सफलता को लेके रहेंगे। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much for your motivational message. I think that triggers emotion and connection among all of us to contribute to the Mission 2030. Thank you, Dr. S.K. Chaudhary, for your broad umbrella view, broad helicopter view, and broad global view on that, and making education the center of it, that any development can happen through right kind of education. Taking forward the discussion, may I invite Mahesh Bundeleji, the head of from Purnima College of Engineering, who is an academic, educationist, technologist, and someone who has been active in the sphere of academia and education for decades. Over to Mahesh Bundeleji.
Good afternoon, sir. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor S.K. Singh, Professor K.K. Das from Market, Dr. Bhatia, and Dr. Palwalia ji from RTU, other heads of institutions and dear participants.
आपका वीडियो नहीं आ रहा है, आपने वीडियो ऑफ किया है क्या सर?
नहीं चल रहा है. Let me switch off and switch on.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
Is it now?
Yes, visible, sir. Very much visible, sir.
Okay. So let us. So good evening, one and all. It's a very good initiative by the government of Rajasthan to think forward for making this state as one of the best states in India. If I talk about overall development of the state to come to the first level in India, we have to look forward towards the developed state like Karnataka, in Maharashtra, and the epicenters they have developed. Like if I talk about Maharashtra, Pune, Mumbai, these are the or Nagpur at other stage. If I talk about Hyderabad city, if I talk about Bangalore city in Karnataka, so how they have developed. It requires not only the development in the sector of education, but it's mostly in industry. I would say that the government of try to bring more and more number of big industries. We have very good number of industries, but those are of small scale, MSME level. If we have good IT industries in a state, but mostly at Jaipur, we will have to develop epicenters like Pune, Mumbai, in Rajasthan also, like we can say Bikaner, Jaipur, Udaipur, Ajmer. These can be different centers which should be developed, and around these centers there should be the industrial growth. Unless we have big industries in the state, might be there might be some hurdles, but those hurdles need to be removed. The kind of the resources required for the industries need to be made available to them, or the easiness of bringing industry in will have to be devised. This is one part. Second part is the education. If I talk about engineering education in Rajasthan, we have large number of institutions in the state of Rajasthan, but the problem is the admissions. The problem is the faculty retention. Problem is, and that I think because of that means we are lacking in proper industry institute interaction and collaborations, research and innovations. So overall developmental environment need to be created so that the student from Rajasthan is not going out of Rajasthan, but the student from other states are coming to Rajasthan and making it as a hub, learning hub or working hub. This is to be given a thought about. As far as the faculty and the students issues are concerned, I should say, because we have a low fee structure in the state of Rajasthan, the students are not developing because of many reasons. Fee is the main hurdle among that. We have to think about the implementation of NEP in terms of flexible curriculum, flexibility to be given to the institutions, flexibility to be given to the students of RTU and BTU both together. I must talk about, or it can be RU or the other universities too. So unless we have overall developments in all the sectors, the state cannot be developed. Only developing only technical education part or developing only industry part will not be sufficient for the growth of state of Rajasthan. So I would say that industry should be motivated or rather mandated to interact or collaborate with the institutes. Maybe through RTU, maybe directly, unless there are proper collaborations, unless there are proper innovative problems given to the institutions, unless the institutions survive, unless the faculty members are coming from other part of the state or outside the state to the Rajasthan and they are retained here for long time, the development would not be possible. So we have 7 years to plan and implement. If we target for 2030, so by 2030 we should have a large number of industries at least initiating their establishment here or rather established. We have a flexible curriculum implemented across Rajasthan. We have a very good fee structure. As I see the state of Maharashtra, same Shikshan Shulk Samiti constituted as per Supreme Court of India is there, but there is a variable from institution to institution, and those who pay more invest more for the development, they get more fees, and the institutions which are not spending much, they are getting less fees. That is also a good structure in one way. I would say those who want to develop, those institutions want to remain developed and growing further, they may be given a different fee structure. So that is another model, but making it uniform across the state and making keeping low fee brings back the good institutions which wants to really grow. But growth of engineering education is also essential. RCAT is an institution now initiated from the government of Rajasthan, which is responsible for all these technical collaborations, technological trainings, and industrial collaborations. I would request Professor Das to have more number of industries suggest to the government to have a good number of core industries, not only IT industries, but bringing core industries, automobile sector. You can say the electronic, like MP recently announced that they will have a very good center of VLSI design, and they will train at least 10,000 engineers in the area of VLSI design. Likewise, the state of Rajasthan should have also some thought process to have this, we can say, VLSI design industry, VLSI, you can say, fabrication, manufacturing industries, core manufacturing industries. Unless big industries are there, the growth like Bangalore or Pune or Mumbai is not possible. Maybe up to 2030 we will be able to achieve something, but at least there will be initiation for the growth of state in this direction. With this, I would like to thank the organizing team from RTU as well as the RCAT to give me an opportunity to speak about. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Saab. You are an institution builder. You are a technologist. You have already told that you don't just need IT companies. You need broad base of companies which are involved in hiring non-tech students also, non-IT students also. So I think making Jaipur a hub of IT education and training and engineering education, it has been already there. We need to expand that. We need to expand that to the next level as well. So over to Deepak Bhatia, sir, for a general request for all faculty members that they can visit the Mission 2030 website and submit their suggestions as public intellectuals and officials of their institutions. They can also give suggestions as common citizens. Nothing bars them to give suggestions as common citizens as well. So if they have suggestions also to send to any particular email ID they would like to send, please write down the email ID of RCAT. I'm also going to put that email ID, info-rcat, INFORCAT @rajasthan.gov.in. So that would be the email ID for sharing things. Deepak sir, would you like to invite anyone to share their opinion, and or you will make a general request for everyone? Please go ahead.
Thank you, Kamlakantji. It is wonderful to hear the suggestions and directions from the well-known personalities in Rajasthan, that they have recommended that more industries should be come in the Rajasthan to make Rajasthan a developed state, and more industry academia interaction in education to develop the skills of our students in Rajasthan. For that purpose, RTU and RCAT more are working together, and we have planning to develop a RCAT center at RTU very soon, so that students of Rajasthan can learn the skill in emerging areas like cyber security, artificial intelligence, machine learning. These are the prominent area to make any state as a developed state, because more job opportunities are in these areas. So I think this session is a wonderful session, and I request all the faculty members and audience, if somebody want to share his experiences and suggestions, they can raise their hands. आप अपना hand raise कर सकते हैं, so that we can invite you to give your valuable suggestions. Otherwise, a feedback form will be shared, so that your valuable suggestion can pass on to the government of Rajasthan to make a vision document for Mission 2030. I think we will share this feedback form and link for sharing your experiences and valuable suggestion, so that you will be able to give your valuable suggestion to make our state as a #1 state in the country, and our country in the #1 country in the world. Kamlakant ji.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, RCAT, for organizing such a wonderful event. प्रोफेसर SK चौधरी सर ने भी काफी बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण सुझाव इसमें दिए कि globalization is more, global activities, global hackathons to solve the societal problem is required to organize regularly. हमारे VC सर ने भी काफी important अपने suggestions दिए so that we can develop our curriculum in such a way so that students can learn more and more about their skill development. So thank you, Honorable Vice Chancellor. Thank you, team of RCAT, Vinita ma'am, Kamlakant ji, Professor SK Chaudhary ji, Professor Mahesh Gundele ji, our Dean Academics. And I think if somebody want to share his experience, this platform is open to all of you. Kamlakant ji, over to Kamlakant ji.
Thank you so much, sir. And in between, if you want to write your suggestions in the chat box, please feel free to do that. अगर आप बोलना चाहते हैं तो please बोलिएगा, तो you can become a panelist as well. And raise your hand, please. And in between, I would like to request Jyoti Madam, Jyoti Luhadia Ma'am, our Executive Director at RCAT, to share a few words on behalf of RCAT. Jyoti Ma'am, over to you. Jyoti Ma'am, are we audible to you? Respected faculty members and experts, please feel free to write on the website that has been given in the message box. The message box we have shared in the chat box, mission2030.rajasthan.gov.in/application Raj Vision Feedback Citizen, that you can also give. And if you are a government employee, then you can also give suggestion as Adhikari. So that is also there. You know the link already, mission2030.rajasthan.gov.in. You go to that link and share your suggestion. Alternatively, you can also institution builders like Mahesh Bundele sir can take initiative to present it to present it as an institutional feedback also from faculty members. As you have given some important suggestions, you can compile it and send it to RCAT, and RCAT would like to take that in to the department, to the concerned department which is implementing the department of CMO, Chief Minister's Office. We would like to take that. So institutionally also you can send your feedback. Individually you can also send your feedback, both by going to the Mission 2030 website, also to the info RCAT mail ID. I'm just typing that mail ID and inviting Jyoti ma'am to say a few words.
Thank you, KK. I would like to thank all the esteemed faculty members, the academic heads who have taken out time to interact and associate with RCAT and give their valuable suggestions for so that we, as you all are also working towards, and we would also like to work towards making Rajasthan the front runner and empowering the youth of Rajasthan with the latest technology and making them employable. Thank you for all of you all for joining and sharing your input, valuable suggestions.
Thank you, Jyoti ma'am, and you and Vinita ma'am and the team of DOIT and RCAT have taken several inspiring initiatives within just 1 year of establishment of RCAT, where we have already 11 globally well-known tech partners offering courses and offering training programs. And you would be happy to know that RCAT is taking the technology fight forward to make to contribute to the Rajasthan Mission 2030. In this context, may I invite people who are available here to share their opinion also. Manish Kumar Sharma ji from SKIT. Would you like to share a few lines on Rajasthan Mission 2030 and how government of Rajasthan, state of Rajasthan, can become a developed state by in 7 years' time by 2030? Manish Kumar Sharma, sir. I'll be calling some names to, and you can volunteer as well. Dr. Pankaj Dadhichi ji, SKIT.
Yes, sir.
Please go ahead if you have something to share, please, sir.
Yes, sir. Need to increase the education sector jobs, sir. So we have to focus on the industry needs, and the particular scenario is that the machine learning and data science technology need to be more focused on these areas. So the educational jobs for machine learning, data science, and computer and IT sector should be more focused for the overall growth of higher education, sir.
So are you, sir, saying that these jobs should be available right in Jaipur, or we're talking about an Indian context?
In our Rajasthan context, sir. Actually, machine learning and data science jobs need to be incorporated in our Rajasthan, sir. Rajasthan.
Right. And I think you'll be happy to know that AI, ML, all jobs are increasing in different sectors. And we are, RCAT is now at the center of that activity, making Jaipur an IT hub. And you'll be happy to know that within 1 year, we have more than 1,000 students who have passed out from here. Several of them have been already placed in different companies in Jaipur and beyond as well. And very important that institutions like SKIT and RCAT with RTU's collaboration, we need to come together in such a way that we create more job opportunities for students, for our students.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Pankaj, sir. Dr. Rajesh Bhatt, sir.
Kamla Khanji, unmute yourself.
Am I audible now?
Right. You are audible. Yes, you are audible.
Right. Deepak sir, can you give me some suggestions of our academic leaders whom we can invite for few one or 2 minute interventions? Please call me.
Mithilesh Kumarji, head of the department, is also there. We can invite them.
Mithilesh Kumarji.
R.S. Meenaji, Dean Faculty of Engineering and Architecture, is also there. We can invite them for their valuable suggestions.
Right.
And any other distinguished guest, if want to give his or her valuable suggestion, then they can come forward. Dr. Sharad Maheshwari is also there. Maheshwari ji.
Shurvi Maheshwari, I have raised hand. Mithilesh Kumarji, are you able to hear us?
Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, program is very nice.
Hello.
To improve the quality education, we have to focus on the practical aspect actually. So we have to strengthen the laboratories, we have to develop the research centers, we have to develop the academic excellence centers. So I think this whole state should be divided into 4 or 5 parts, and we have to develop the excellence center. Just like in South India, they have developed the fab labs, and there are so many things there. So we have to identify in which area we have a good positions, then we can develop the incubation center also. And if some center can be developed at the university level, and some centers should be developed to the area level, where there is a clustering of engineering colleges is there. So then people can come there and they can do their research work. So for this purpose, the incubation centers, your fab labs, excellence center of excellence, and also there is a industry interaction. So we have to invite the industries to open their center in the institute also, at the university level as well as our college level. So then we can collaborate with the industries, just like in IITs, they have a Microsoft, Intel center, there are so many centers there. So we can collaborate them. Another collaboration is that now we have to collaborate to the outside India, international collaborations. So there our students and faculty can get the exposure from the outside also. And similarly, we can improve ourselves by seeing the international positions. So these are the basic suggestions. Thank you, sir, for inviting me here. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mithilesh Kumar, sir. And I think that is an important suggestion. You'll be happy to know that RCAT in last one year as in-house.
You are not audible, Kamla Kanji, you are not audible.
I'm audible now, Surabhi Maheshwari ji. You wanted to say something?
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good
This
evening.
is
Yes,
Surabhi
please.
Maheshwari.
Please go ahead.
In this program, I have to add some suggestions regarding that we have some subjects in first year, in technical BTech first year. So I have to add some programming languages as some courses, data science, machine learning from the starting. So we will have to make some plans according to from the first year. We have introduced some subjects in third year, sir, but I have this plan that we will introduce these subjects from the first year, sir. That will very beneficial for our students. Data science, AI, Python, Ruby language, these all are very beneficial for our students. This is
Thank you, Surabhi ma'am. You are from which institute, ma'am?
Hindi, Rajasthan College of Engineering for Women, sir.
Right. So Dr. D.K. Palvalia, sir, who is academic head of RTU, and
Yes.
his deputy, Dr. Deepak Bhatia, sir, is also here. So they are also will be some discussion, and they will perhaps be able to respond to you. And Deepak, sir, anything you want to add?
I think this is a good suggestion. We will take care in future.
Sure, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
When we will organize the board of studies.
Yes, sir.
So we can call any other faculty member if
Right.
he or she want to.
So I think RTU and all college leaders, when they come together, they mostly talk about curriculum and placement and what should be there in the teaching and pedagogy, industry academia interface. Little bit also expand that to Rajasthan Mission 2030. So that, yes, education is central, technology is central, pedagogy is central, placement is central to that. All that is very, very important. So, and I think, Deepak sir, you have to do more meetings with all your faculty members. Yes.
So I think.
Yes. And I will hand it over to Vinita ma'am to speak a little bit about RCAT, the achievements and the plans forward in briefly, ma'am.
Thank you.
So it was really great to hear from the academic people that how they want to have the change towards the state to be on the top. So I am here just to talk about RCAT because I do not want to lose this opportunity when I have this much of people here from academics. So I want to tell about RCAT once in a very crisp manner. So Rajiv Gandhi Center of Advanced Technology, I'm sure that all of you who has been participating here know about it. It has been established last year, and I just give you a very brief and quick idea about that from last 1 year, what all we did. So Rajiv Gandhi State Center of Advanced Technology has been established to make an objective that our youth, our students, would be equipped with the knowledge and the expertise in emerging and advanced technology, so that they would be employable. They can be the entrepreneur. They can make the state proud of, and we have a very expert human resource in our state. So this was the objective that we were here. And I just want to share that what all we did in last 1 year. We have started a scholarship policy to support students to have the courses of, of a level of globally recognized. And it includes our partners of all technology giants, which includes SAS, Red Hat, Adobe, VMware, Apple, Microsoft, robotics, EC Council in terms of cybersecurity. So we have almost touched all those areas or emerging areas where we want our youth to grow upon and to know about those domains. As of now, we have skilled approximately 800 plus students, and they have graduated from RCAT, and they have completed their courses. They gained certification, and 90% of them are already placed. So this is who are eligible to be placed. They've all have been placed. So we did this part here. We were just not concentrating or given our priority only towards the technology. We are also working towards the 360 development of the student going through the meta skills. So we have also started the English communication classes for those students who have already enrolled into RCAT, so that this would help them to give their interviews, to do the PR relations, to make their behavior at par with the industry. So this is what we did as of now. And recently we started with the faculty development program, and you would like to know that till now we have done the faculty development program and did the training for 400 plus faculty. And you would like to know that we got the the magnum of this initiative. People were really happy to know about this, and I also already talked to Deepak sir and Palwalia sir that we want to have a faculty development program in all these technologies soon, in collaboration with RTU. So all teachers which are under the banner of RTU can get the benefit of it. So this is what we did till now in terms of faculty development program. We also, since a scholarship is only for the students of Rajasthan and Rajasthan residents, so in terms of covering all these students from all others, we have started internship on a very subsidized rate, where they're getting these courses in a very compact form. They can do these courses along with they would work on the live project. This would help them to understand the academia industry ecosystem, how this experience would help them to come at par with the industry norms. So this is one thing that we also did. We also did the academic partnership. RTU is our honorable partnership partner in terms of all of our initiative. They have supported us a lot to disseminate all our initiative and their information to each and every colleges under RTU. We also have done a lot of rural women empowerment, a lot of other initiatives like International Women's Day, Rural Women Empowerment, and we also did the workshop with the disabled students. So we are working towards all other sects where we can introduce the digital literacy or the technology literacy towards that. We've done the open house too many, and I think Deepak sir have also joined into that. It was more about that ARCET always work like a platform or a bridge where we can connect academia and industry together, whether in terms of technology intervention, technology partner intervention, or the skilling part, or the curriculum to be enhanced in terms of making at par with the industry norms, or faculty development if it is to be done on the regular basis. So this is what we all have done, and you would be happy to know that RCAT has completed its 1 year, and now tomorrow we will have another open house. We will talk about that. In 1 year we achieved this much, that our government, the Honorable Chief Minister sir has announced in recent budget that we will just not concentrate it towards Jaipur or Jodhpur. We will expand its wings to all divisional headquarters. So now we have our ARCAT center at all division headquarters, including Jaipur, Jodhpur, Kota, Udaipur, Bharatpur, Ajmer, and Bikaner. So I welcome you all. ARCAT is always there to support you at your service, that whenever you want your students to be part of ARCAT, you want your FDP to be done at your college, we are here to support you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Over to KK.
What is that you want to do for next year? Some plans are there.
There's a lot of plans, but that will be done in tomorrow. Yeah. Thank you, Deepak sir.
Thank you, Vinita ma'am, for your concluding remark about the ARCAT. So what ARCAT is doing from last 1 year, and the partnership between ARCAT and RTU will take forward to make a leading state of Rajasthan in the country. So I think this was a very wonderful session in the step for Vision 2030 document for Government of Rajasthan Mission 2030. Still, our Vice Chancellor is in the meeting. So this shows his commitment towards the technological Rajasthan, means not academical, as well as growing technological Rajasthan, so that we can work together to make it a leading state in the various type of technology in which ARCAT is working, like AI, ML, cyber security, which are the prominent areas in the present scenario. So I think thank you so much to the ARCAT and our other eminent speakers, our guests, distinguished faculty members, our honorable vice chancellors, dean academics, for sparing their valuable time and sharing their good experiences for moving one step towards the mission 2030. I think, Kamala Kanji, we should conclude our today's session with a commitment for some more sessions, these type of sessions, for gathering the valuable suggestions from all our partners.
Thank you.
Thank you so much to all of you.
will continue to host these sessions. And Deepak sir, thank you for your ongoing support. This was brilliant today. Dr. Palwalia sir and Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, Dr. S.K. Singh sir, he gave a brief motivating message, but he is still there and listening and watching all our panelists and their interventions as well. So on behalf of Rajiv Gandhi Center for Advanced Technology, our executive director on behalf of Jyoti Loharia ji, our manager Srimati Binita Madam ji, from every one of us, from RTU and ARCAT, thank you all of you. Please visit the Rajasthan Mission 2030 page, our website, and submit your suggestions. And also, if you want to submit your institutionalized suggestions at one corpus, please feel free to email that to info@rajasthan.gov.in. Thank you so much. As ARCAT takes quantum leaps, we would like to have you as our partners. Thank you.
Thank you to Professor S.K. Chaudhary sir and Mahesh Bundele sir for giving their valuable suggestion and their valuable time. Thank you, Vinita ma'am. Thank you, Kamalakant ji. Thank you.
आपका भी बहुत बहुत आभार आर्केट सेंटर के सभी प्रतिनिधियों का, सभी महान हस्तियों का, हमारे बड़े भाई बुंदेले साहब का, हमारे प्रोफेसर एस.के. सिंह जी का, डॉक्टर पलवालिया जी का, डॉक्टर दीपक भाटिया जी का, इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटी देने के लिए, जहां पर हमारा तकनीकी शिक्षा का समूचा परिवार एक जगह एकत्रित हुआ है और सभी ने अपने अपने विचार दिए हैं और आपने जो ओपन प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है, मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि इस तरह के और भी विचार आएंगे और हम सब राजस्थान को सर्वोच्च स्थान पर पहुंचाने के लिए कटिबद्ध हैं और हमें सफलता अवश्य मिलेगी। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू।